As we all know, Instagram is undoubtedly one of the most popular social media platforms today, and many creators are leveraging their editing skills to grow their followers. This creator gained 1.5 million followers, and in this creator gained 600k followers there. It's evident that photo editing is crucial for success on Instagram. There are several photo editing software options available in the market, but Adobe Lightroom leads the market. In this tutorial, I will guide you through 4 simple steps to master Adobe Lightroom and elevate your photo editing skills to a professional level. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to creating stunning photos that will attract more followers and increase engagement on your Instagram profile. So let's dive in. The 4 steps to master Lightroom are actually the 4 most important tools of Lightroom. Number 1. The Color Tool. The Color Adjustment tool in Lightroom is a set of sliders that allow you to adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of individual colors in your photo. There are 4 bars in this tool. The first one is used to change the temperature of the image. The second one is used to change the tint or midtones. The third one is used to enhance the dull colors of the image. The fourth one is used to enhance overall color of the image. The top you can see a color wheel. It contains various colors such as red, yellow, blue, etc. These are used to change the hue, saturation, and luminance of a single color. Number 2. The Light Tool. The Light Adjustment tool in Lightroom is a set of sliders that allow you to adjust the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks of your photo. As you can see, there are 6 bars in the Light tool. All of the 6 bars are used to make the basic changes that are done before editing. The 6 bars are used to change exposure, contrast, highlights, shadow, blacks and whites. Number 3. The Curve Tool. Curve tool in Lightroom is a powerful feature that allows you to adjust the tonality and contrast of your photo using a graphical representation of the tonal range. The curve tool displays a diagonal line that represents the current tonal values of your photo, with the bottom left representing the darkest parts of the image and the top right representing the brightest parts. In the Light tool, at the top right, there is the Curve tool. If you have mastered the Curve tool, then you have done 50% of your work. You can see how it helps to enhance the picture as this is white, there are red, green, and blue. Number 4. The Masking Tool. The Masking tool in Lightroom is a powerful feature that allows you to selectively apply adjustments to specific parts of your photo. When you make adjustments in Lightroom, such as changing the exposure, contrast, or color, these changes are applied to the entire image by default. However, the masking tool allows you to restrict these adjustments to specific areas of the photo based on their brightness, color, or other criteria. The last, but not the least, masking tool. As the other tool make the changes to the whole image, but what if you have to change only a specific part? Here comes the masking tool. As you can see, there are various options available. If you select the sky, it will start processing. And now you can edit only the sky using the Light and Color tool. Similarly, there is the linear gradient, radial gradient, and the brush tool. If you want a full tutorial of each and every tool and how to use it, do comment below. If this video was helpful for you in any way, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.